Hello everyone, welcome to another UD Connected Services, my UD Fleet Web Portal training session. Before we begin, please ensure that you have already gotten your username and password to log into the system. If you haven't received it, please talk to your UD representative. All right, let's begin. We're excited to introduce a new suite of productivity dashboards within my UD Fleet. These dashboards provide real-time insights into your fleet operations, empowering you to track performance trends and enhance overall fleet efficiency. Once you've logged into my UD Fleet, you'll notice a new widget labeled Productivity Dashboards on the homepage. Simply click on it to begin exploring the new features. Once the page has fully loaded, the system will default to the Vehicle Utilization Dashboard. On the left-hand panel, you'll find navigation tabs to access other dashboards, including fuel insights and driving behavior. At the top of the page, the default date range is set to the past 7 days. However, you can adjust this to 30 days, weekly, monthly, or select a custom range as needed. The product drop-down menu allows you to filter dashboards by specific UD products in your fleet. These selections, both date range and product, will apply across all dashboards for a consistent view. The Vehicle Utilization Dashboard offers a detailed overview of fleet performance from a usage perspective. At the top of the dashboard, you'll find a summary of key indicators, including total distance, engine hours, fuel consumption, fuel efficiency, and average distance traveled per vehicle during the selected period. A pie chart illustrates the proportion of active versus inactive vehicles in your fleet, where active vehicles are those used during the selected time frame. Please note that for historical data predating the dashboard's release, inactive vehicles may appear as NA or not applicable. Selecting the active segment of the pie chart reveals a detailed breakdown of your fleet, including each vehicle's distance traveled, engine hours, and fuel consumption. Likewise, clicking on the inactive segment displays a list of vehicles that were not in use during the selected period. This information can be easily exported to Microsoft Excel by clicking the Export button. Bar charts for fuel consumption, distance, and engine hours show vehicle data in descending order by default. You can reverse the order by clicking the low to high toggle on the right. If your fleet includes more than 10 vehicles, the chart will display only the top or bottom 10, depending on your selection. At the bottom of the dashboard, two trend charts display total distance and engine hours per day. You can switch to view average distance per vehicle per day using the toggle button on the right. For enhanced visibility, any chart with the expand icon can be enlarged to a full-screen view. Let's move on to the Fuel Insights dashboard by clicking on the tab here. The Fuel Insights dashboard provides in-depth visibility into fuel consumption across different vehicle operating modes. At the top of the dashboard, you'll find key performance indicators such as overall fuel efficiency, total fuel consumption, as well as driving, idling, PTO, and AdBlue usage. The pie charts below not only allows you to visualize this, but also allow you to drill down into detailed data for each vehicle. This information can be exported to Microsoft Excel by selecting the Export option. Trend charts below display daily, weekly, or monthly totals for both fuel and AdBlue consumption. These charts can be expanded for a more detailed view. Bar charts for fuel consumption and fuel efficiency highlight either the top or bottom 10 vehicles in your fleet, depending on the toggle selection in the upper right corner. The final trend graph illustrates fuel efficiency over the selected time period. You can switch between viewing the data in kilometers per liter or liters per hour using the toggle on the right. Additionally, The drop-down menu enables comparison of fuel efficiency across multiple UD products, if available. Let's now head to the final dashboard, driving behavior. The driving behavior dashboard provides a comprehensive overview of vehicle operation, enabling data and location-based decisions to enhance driver safety and promote responsible driving practices. The dashboard begins by presenting key metrics, including the number of incidents related to harsh acceleration, harsh braking, overspeeding, over-revving, excessive idling, driving without a seatbelt, as well as the maximum speed recorded during the selected period. A pie chart below illustrates the distribution of these driving behavior events. As with other dashboards, clicking on the chart provides a detailed breakdown by vehicle and event type for the selected time frame. This data can also be exported to Microsoft Excel for further analysis. On the right, a heat map visually represents the frequency of driving behavior events, using a color gradient from green for low frequency to red for high frequency. You may expand this heat map to a full screen view for easier visualization and navigation, and the drop-down menu allows you to select specific types of events. The driving behavior trend chart displays the total number of recorded events over the selected period. A drop-down menu allows you to filter and compare specific event types for more focused analysis. The combined harsh acceleration and harsh braking chart presents both event types in a single view. You can use the toggle button to normalize the data by displaying event counts per 100 kilometers driven, enabling a more accurate comparison relative to distance traveled. To the right, a chart displays either overspeeding or over-revving events, with a drop-down menu allowing you to switch between the two metrics. The final two charts highlight instances of excessive idling and driving without a seatbelt. For detailed definitions of each event type, simply hover over the information icons marked with exclamation points. For more detailed information about the productivity dashboards, you can download the user manual here. We have now come to the end of the training session for my UD Fleet Productivity Dashboards. I hope you find this useful. For more information about UD Connected Services, please head to udtrucks.com. Thank you, and see you soon.
UD Trucks.